Hello, ICP. This is Mr. Libby. It is week 15. So if you go to It's Learning and click on the week 15, you will see 4 things to do this week. This is the first one. It is the weekly planner. And as always, a weekly planner, this is what we're doing today. The Google Meets are AA31 ICP for the class meets, and the Libby office hours for the office hours that are 2:30 to 3:20. So we have one thing to do today, organizing the periodic table and the Go formative. And then on Wednesday, we have the basic atomic structure and periodic table, and that's it. At home, we have a periodic table song to listen to and some questions about the song. So let's get started. The Go formative looks like this. It's a sheet that has answers for you to pick, like multiple choice answers or fill in the blank answers. So what does each row, left, right have in common on the periodic table? And given the answer right there, they have the same number of energy levels or same number of shells. So we talked a little bit about the periodic table last week. Hopefully you took some notes down from last week. And you can use those notes as you go through this periodic table stuff. That's the Go formative for Monday, Tuesday. For Wednesday, Thursday, you have a basic atomic structure sheet. And the 3 particles of an atom are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a little plus, P plus protons. Electrons are negative. They are what their flow is what makes the electricity, or we call it electricity. Right, and there's just a bunch of questions down there. You have your periodic table notes. You should be able to do those pretty easy. That's all we're doing on Wednesday, Thursday. When you go home, you can do this whenever, but what you're going to do by yourself, not in class, is the periodic table song and quiz. It says watch this song. There's a link. You can click on it. Pick any 4 elements for the song. Draw pictures showing what it is showing the elements on the screen. You probably have to freeze it. All right. Draw or cut and paste or something. I get some pictures in the boxes. And there's a 1-question quiz at the bottom, and I have copied it there on the bottom. It says, why are those particular pictures on the screen while each element was on the screen? So that's the question. I need you to answer that question. If you do not answer that question, I'll give it back to you. That's what we're doing this week. If you have questions about what we're doing this week, please come to office hours. Please come to the Google Meets for our classes. And that's what we're doing.